How to complete your Freelancer profile on Peopleperhour. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Profile from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Edit button to start completing your Freelancer profile. Begin by renaming your name if needed to ensure it matches your professional identity. Then upload a professional profile picture that clearly shows your face. This helps client trust you more and creates a good first impression. After that, add a cover image that represents your work or brand style. A clean and relevant cover image makes your profile more attractive and visually appealing. Next, fill in your job title, skills, and professional summary. Make sure your description is clear, detailed, and highlights your experience, expertise, and the services you offer. This section is crucial for attracting the right client. Then move on to the portfolio section and upload samples of your previous work. You can also embed projects from external websites. This is one of the most important parts of your profile as it helps clients understand your capabilities and the quality of your work. Scroll down to add or update your location, languages, and industry expertise along with your phone number. These details help Peopleperhour match you with suitable projects and clients. Also add your hourly rate. Set a competitive and realistic price based on your skills, experience, and market demand. After completing all sections, click on the Save button to apply your updates. Review your profile to ensure everything is accurate, professional, and up to date. Now you know how to complete your Freelancer profile on Peopleperhour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.